connected up. And the generator's turning, as you can see. And reading about 12.5 volts at the generator. It's less at the battery. Actually, I have a battery charger connected up to it to keep me at that voltage. And I'm running about almost 8 amps of battery current to the generator to motor the generator. The spec is a bit less than that, but these are brand new bearings, so I'm thinking once this generator loosens up a bit, that motor draw test current will actually get a little lower. But I tested other pieces of this generator and it's good. And that's it. That's how you motor a generator.